Hey, welcome back to Papa's Custom Cars. As I was saying in the video before, I hurt my back, so I can't bend over to work on the car. Kind of makes it really rough, along with cleaning the parts and everything that I've got to get done. So we're just going to review a few of the things I got for my birthday. We did one on a power probe, and we've also got a new 1/2-inch impact. That is almost identical to my yellow one from Temu, except this one's red. Also made in China. Also has the same exact features that my Temu one did. This is made by NEOBRISKIN, I guess. This is a 4 amp hour 20 volt unit. I think my other one was a 2 amp hour battery, but this is a 4 amp hour, so it's got a little bit more kick than the other one does. And then again, you've got this little button on here that allows you to set the torque of this impact. It also has a feature where you can put the different bit on the front of it to do drivers and drills and all that kind of fun stuff. Like I say, we've already got one of those, so we don't need it. But this is a really nice little unit. Same as the other one, it has the lights, which is nice. It would be nice to have them all the way around. That'd be a good one for you tool manufacturers out there. Really light up the area for us, especially when we're working in the dark, or have the option of a switch. This one also has, when you can set your torque levels down here on the bottom, and it goes by large or small. So if it's a small bolt, you can set it a little bit lower, and if it's a large bolt, you can set it higher. I know this works well because when I went to take a 1/2-inch bolt off, I hit it with this impact, and boom, it came right out. So these little buggers are strong. I mean, the battery's more than this thing will ever need, but you can feel the torque in your hand. Right now, I've got it on low, but when you put it on high, it jerks. One of the things you can do with the different settings is adjust what you want to do so you don't like rip a bolt off or something or over torque it. Comes with a little hanger. You can hang it on your belt. I guess if you're using it for a driver, that'd be a good thing. Comes with one battery, and it comes with, of course, your charger. And then there's also a bunch of 1/2-inch bits, or 1/2-inch metrics. There's 3 or 4 of those sockets, and then a bunch of drivers. I don't use those. I just use these for the impact and nothing else. It also has the nice case. It has a little cover. It has a strap, carrying strap, if you want to carry it. And of course, you got your little pin to mount your additional bit. Nice little case, though. Made in China, of course. In the case itself, you do have optional 2 batteries. So if you buy another battery for it, you can put your second battery in the case with it. So that makes it kind of nice. You can always use that second battery out there. Fits real nice in here. You move everything aside. Fits real nice in the case. And it's made, it basically says it's Lithium ion tools. It gives you the instructions. Set up your after-sales warranty card, but evidently they sell an electric wrench, a chainsaw. But yeah, really nice little product. Really price point, I don't know what it is. My wife gave it to me as a gift, but I'll put a link to it in my Amazon store, and all you got to do is go to that link, and you can get that. It'll also probably be linked, or at least a brand close to it will be linked in this video. So with that, make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions on it, definitely let me know. I also did a review of the Temu. They're almost, I mean, when you look at them side by side, they're almost identical. So I'm imagining these are made by the same company. They just inject mold, different colors of plastic. So that's about all I have for you today. With that, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.